Cadillac parts can be really hard to find, especially when going through restoration. Several components are not available. Thankfully, OPGI is proud to introduce these beautiful fuel tanks to the Cadillac restoration market. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature. Today we're going to be looking at our 1954 through 92 Cadillac fuel tank assemblies, powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Our fuel tanks follow OEM dimensions for a perfect fitment without having to modify your car. True to originality, all tanks follow the corresponding year, correct gallons, and also offer tanks with and without necks where applicable. Each tank is manufactured from 20 gauge steel to ensure strength and durability. You'll be able to count on your product to hold up strong for many years. In addition, we finish every tank with a silver powder coat that protects the tank from rust and corrosion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.